Hey everybody, good morning. It is Tuesday morning, October something. Was it the 17th, I think, whatever. It's about 8 in the morning. I'm in Glen, Flora, Wisconsin on day 2 of this quick project, and taking a little walk back to, it sounds like it's raining in here. Because all the it frosted hard last night, so all the frost is melting off the trees right now. Pretty cold this morning. But we are, like I said, on day 2, going to try to finish this project today. I think we can. I think we could have finished up by noon today if didn't have 4 hours of prep work to do that was not part of the original plan. It was kind of a surprise thing that came up when we got here. But so it took us like 3-4 hours to get a path cleared to like a quarter mile down this road I just walked. That's how far I am from the road on this property. And normally this, I guess, would have been a path where, oh, here's a bunch of deer hooves. Glad I'm putting that deer fence up, right? But this road would have been able to, they would have been able to back the dump trucks up all the way to the area, and they could have dumped everything there, which would have saved us a day, because we had 3 of us working yesterday, and one of us had one running the skid steer all day long. So moving soil, moving mulch back, and it's a quarter mile each way. So we're talking a bucket load at a time, going to back where we're working. So it took all day for him to move all that mulch and all the soil back there, while we had to physically move everything back also. So we had to walk a lot of stuff back and forth in the big wheelbarrows. We did put a bunch of stuff in the bucket to move all the trees and stuff, so that worked out. But I have about a quarter mile walk back, and as soon as I get back, I'm gonna get back on this. Oh, you see the U-Haul in the background. I had a problem with my truck, so I went to rent a pickup truck at U-Haul to tow a trailer, a U-Haul trailer with all the trees and everything in it, because I was bringing them from St. Paul, and sourced all the trees locally, and then I put them in a trailer and drove them here. But my truck, I had an issue with my truck, so I tried to rent a pickup from U-Haul to tow this trailer, and I get there and they say, sorry, you can't tow a trailer with our pickup trucks. You can only use a box truck. So they gave me a box truck. It ended up working out pretty well, because I had a bunch of extra trees and everything, and I put them inside the box truck, and basically it helped make the load better. I mean, if I would have had my truck, that would have been packed full. So whatever, but it's not too bad. Like I said, I'm going back over to the location. I'll get back and I'll show you what we're doing with this deer fence to finish up, and we should be finishing, I'd say, about 3 hours with the fence, and then all we got to do is sheet mulch and plant trees, and then we're done. So we're planning on being done by 4 o'clock today. That's our goal, hopefully before. But anyway, I'll talk to you in about 10 minutes. Have an amazing day. Grow food, not lawns.